AFL chief Gillon McLachlan says a lot of money has been wasted on an odd legal case against him and former AFL chairman Mike Fitzpatrick over their handling of the Essendon drug saga. McLachlan and Fitzpatrick are accused of misleading and deceptive conduct by trying to smooth over the league's involvement in the scandal during media comments they made in 2016 and 2017 in its aftermath. The AFL boss says he hasn't thought too much about the case, launched by Melbourne lawyer Jackson Taylor, but considers it an odd one. The Essendon issue is sort of closed and solved and it's gone to court and been found legal, McLachlan told 3AW Radio on Friday. This is an individual who has got a grievance about some comments made in the media. It seems like a lot of wasted money to me. Anyway, it'll play out, McLachlan said. Essendon, who were hit with heavy punishments by the AFL and the Australian Sports Anti-Doping Authority after investigations into a 2012 supplements program, want the saga to be over. The Essendon Footy Club and players and others just want to move on, he said. Mr. Taylor has alleged the AFL breached consumer laws to protect the league's commercial interests after the scandal came to light. His claims include McLachlan denying he tried to engineer outcomes before players and officials were interviewed by saga and the AFL. During an interview with Fox Sports, McLachlan also said the league had taken reasonable care to protect the health and safety of Essendon players. Mr. Taylor, who has no financial interest in the case and has previously said he's pursuing it in the public interest, wants the court to declare McLachlan, Fitzpatrick and the AFL acted unlawfully. The AFL in March sought that 3 questions in the case be discussed at a preliminary hearing. League lawyers argued a full trial would be very expensive to prepare and a mini-trial would limit the need for witnesses and documents. One issue was whether the statements made by McLachlan and Fitzpatrick were in the course of trade or commerce, under consumer laws. Supreme Court Judge John Dixon on Wednesday ruled against the AFL's request in relation to 2 of the legal issues. Justice Dixon also ordered the AFL pay Mr. Taylor's costs in opposing the application for the mini-trial. A preliminary hearing will be held for the 3rd question before a trial date is set. Copyright AAP 2018.